The patented recodable combi bolt is designed for convenience and to give a high level of security. Its unique combination locking bolt is quick and easy to use, and ideal for securing garden gates, sheds and commercial vans. Available in a black and chrome finish, there are no keys to lose or misplace. It operates using a fully recodable 4-wheel dial, each with 10 digits, and has 10,000 code combinations. The bolt is made of hardened steel for extra strength. It can be quickly locked in both open and closed positions for extra security. It's easy to recode as well. All you have to do is move the bolt back to its stop position, lift the bolt knob and slide back to its second stop position, then push it down to lock it into its recoding position. Finally, rotate the coding wheels to the number you want, making sure you align your numbers to the coding mark. The combi bolt can also be installed within a matter of minutes. Just screw the bolt in using the clutch head security screws provided. As with all of our products, the combi bolt comes with our 10-year personal guarantee. Squire is a global leader in premium quality combination padlocks. Technological innovation is our trademark, and producing the right security solutions for you is what we do best.